What is VAPT? VAPT stands for Vulnerability Assessment and Penetration Testing. Every organization is a potential target for hackers. So that the best practice for any organization is to conduct VAPT audit time to time to secure their network from various hacking attacks. VAPT audit is the way to detect security vulnerabilities in the system or a network with various malicious techniques. Focus on identifying vulnerabilities in this network, server and system infrastructure. VA and PT is the two different tasks, usually with different results within the same area of focus. Attacks can happen from internally or externally. External network pen testing. An external network pen test is designed to test the effectiveness of perimeter security controls, as well as identify weakness affecting all other external facing systems and services, such as web, mail and FTP servers. Internal network pen testing. An internal network pen test is performed inside a network with controlled exploit to identify weakness in existing network, so you know the organization's security posture. Internal penetration testing evaluates what an insider attack could achieve. Phases of VAPT: information gathering, scanning, analysis for penetration testing, and reporting.